the one way crazy pass, way mad pass. He touched everybody for year. One afternoon, I just open my phone. I thought they see Jesus. Now Toyi first poster. Jesus, Toyi post Jesus. What did happen? Everywhere Jesus. Baba, I not gonna let me say I post them. I post them. I can't fear everybody. I say, you know these 3 minutes where I post and started speaking tongues. I don't want you to say Jesus. Come WhatsApp. I don't follow up.
I say you dey do shit again. Shey no dey tire you.
Why you go talk again? What's the meaning of that?
Alright.
Actually, this one is 2 in 1.
2 in 1. Méjì lọ́kàn. I heard the title. I was mesmerized. Alright, when is it happening?
In Akure.
Akure on Sunday, right?
Yeah, I'm always doing my show on Sunday because people say keep the Sabbath day holy. As an holy guy.
Alright, what should we expect in your show?
Yeah, so you expect fun. We are premiering our movie. We started working on the movie since March.
I'm going to post Jesus. My brother, you know these 15 minutes. Trust Nigerians now. Shonko, Ailala, Ogu, Machala, Starboy, Vado. Later, President spoiler. Cash up. Wow.
To expect a movie, expect fun, expect the best of the best.
You know the exam, they say they can cut down. This mustache, you know the thing, you know why I call this mustache? I want to look like virgin. Not like I'm not a virgin. Mrs. Virgin on money.
Let me feel your ass first. Okay. Can we meet you?
Yeah, you know you can trust the phone when it is packaged by SWG and it's up on $100.
And Oporstreet is involved. You should trust it.
Alright, Opo, thank you very much for your time.
Wow. Mo wá ńlá àdúgbò ìkété ọdún bọ̀ ẹ̀bà gbóná. Mo dáàbò ó. Mo láti mo ṣe fẹ́ yí pọ́sítọ̀ olóṣèlú tí ò lè wọlé. Mo sọ pé yí àbí ibi dáìsì tí ó dà òkòrò. Mo láti èyí yẹn, ó dàbí wíńdò pínsìn. Wọ́n ní òfin ẹyí, ó dàbí pẹ́sítà wọ́n tẹ̀lé.